Welcome to Coding Upgrade. I'm Sarah Satir. In this video, I want to show you step by step how to register to Upwork as a freelancer and get approved immediately. To do so, let's go to Upwork, and the link is available in the video description, or you can go directly to upwork.com. This is not a real account. I am just creating this account to show you how to do this. After making this account available and completing the registration, I will immediately delete and remove this account from Upwork. Here is Upwork, and here is the sign up. Two types of registration is available to Upwork. One as a client and second as a freelancer. If you are a freelancer and if you want to work on Upwork and it's the first time you're coming to Upwork, now it's time to create an account as a freelancer. Choose freelancer. I'm a freelancer. And here, if you have a Gmail account, you can directly continue with Google. But if your email is specific for your business or it's not Gmail, then you can manually write your email, your first name, last name, and your password. Also make sure you choose your country correctly. And you can uncheck this one. This is not really important because they will send you emails about rewarding work and job leads, but you should check this one. This is about their privacy policy. You can read that if you want, and if you agree, you can just create my account. Let me fill this information. After filling necessary fields here, let's create my account. The account is successfully created. Now it's time to verify it. One email is sent to our email, which we have registered. It is the email. I have received it. And now I want to click on verify email. I want to close other tabs. They are not necessary now. And that's it. The account is verified. Now it's time to step by step fill the information which Upwork requires. Now it's ready to start our big opportunity. Get started. Now if you are completely new, you can choose this one. I'm brand new to this. And now next. What is your purpose about creating your account as a freelancer here? For your main income, or to make money on the side, or to get experience for a full-time job. I want to choose this one or this one. It doesn't matter for me because it's an account I want to use in the future. I like to find opportunities, and also I want to check this one. Make sure you have a complete resume, or if you have a LinkedIn account, that's even better, but I have a professional resume for this one. Now I want to upload it. It's uploaded. Now continue. What's your title? What do you want to be? Now it is automatically selected from my resume. This is desktop application development, or if you are a web developer, or if you're an Android developer or a software engineer, you can manually write it, no problem. Now there are some fields which is missing. We can complete them. And then next, Now if you have certifications, you can add it here. If you don't have, you can skip it. If you know language other than English, you can add them. You can add your skills here. You can add up to 15 skills, I think. This is about yourself. If you have a time, spend some time to write a good overview of yourself, your experiences. It will show like this under your name or in your profile. Now it is the service you will provide for your clients. This is your hourly rate. If you are new, make sure you choose lower rate. Now it's about your country, about your profile picture. You have to add a clear profile picture. Make sure it's clear and high quality. And your country, your street address, and check your profile. And this is our profile. You can check it. You can review all the information you have added. And now you can submit your profile. Nice work. Our profile is ready. Our account is approved and we can review our profile and browse for jobs. We have 50 available connects and it is completely given free by Upwork. But after finishing this connects, we will need to buy it or purchase it. Also, they give you free connects every single month. Now it's our profile. If you want to update it anytime, you can do that. And this is the jobs. You can search the jobs. For example, I want to search about SQL developer. It brought about more than 2,000 jobs. If this video was useful for you, make sure you have liked the video and subscribe to Coding Upgrade. If you have any opinions, share in the comment section. See you in the next video.